Hey there, welcome to another episode of SEO Sneak Peek. Today, we'll be talking about branded and non-branded keywords. So let's dive in. To put it simply, branded keywords are keywords that have brand names attached to search query string. For instance, the keyword, Cartier bracelet. When you search for this keyword, the top ranking one is the official website of Cartier. Then when you look at the search volume of the keyword, it is pretty huge. This means that the brand's popularity is sizable, and the target audience knows about the offered products. You can also see that the popularity of this branded keyword is increasing even on Google Trends. Let's check some of the other branded keywords for which Cartier currently ranks. You can see that there are quite a few. If you find more branded keywords, with an increasing trend in the search volume, it's an indication that people are interested in your brand. They are using navigational keywords to search for your products online. You can see the same here with Cartier. On the other hand, if a website sees brand keywords are steadily decreasing and the search volume reducing for the existing ones, it indicates that the popularity is dropping in the market. Let's check how the popularity of Samsung smartphones in the US decline with the increasing demand for iPhones. The keyword Samsung Galaxy had a pretty good search trend in 2015. But over the period of 6 years, the trend has reduced. Contrary to this, the search trend of the keyword, Apple iPhone, has remained consistent during the same period. You can see the search trend increases during August and September every year. That's when Apple announces its new range of iPhones. Let's now check non-branded keywords. Non-branded keywords are generic search terms entered by users. Unlike the users who type branded keywords, they may or may not have prior knowledge about your brand. However, depending on the type of keyword they have entered, the search engine may find your content relevant to rank on the top of the results. For example, in the case of Cartier, you can see that they are ranking for non-branded keywords as well. Ranking for such keywords help in finding the right target audience, both new and existing. That's it for today's episode of SEO Sneak Peek. Thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next episode of SEO Sneak Peek.